Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and we are the student of Mr. Mahan. So today we'd like to talk about project paper Chatgpt, and here is my group members' name, Zhang Yuanxiang and Tai Fei. Okay, let's start our presentation. So in first page, as you guys can see, we divided 5 parts in here, and introduction, and we talk about how to do it. And also, we will explain its advantages and disadvantages. And in the final, we give you a conclusion. So in first page, introduction, I like to see Chatgpt is an OpenAI chatbot that will be released in November 2022. It is constructed on the top of OpenAI's GPT-3 family of the big language models and is fine-tuned using both the supervised and reinforcement learning approaches. So, on November 13, 2022, Chatgpt was adopted as a prototype and soon gained notice for its thorough response and clear answers across many disciplines of expertise. A key disadvantage was highlighted as its inconsistent factual correctness. So OpenAI was valued as $29 billion. Following the introduction of Chatgpt, so Chatgpt has all the things of being a technology game changer. And also, OpenAI, the San Francisco-based inventor of G02 and Whisper, introduced Chatgpt on November 13, 2022. The service was first made available to the public for free, with addition to the commercial list it laid. By December 4, OpenAI reported that Chatgpt had more than 1 million users. According to CNBC, the service still goes down from time to time as December 15, 2022. The service works best in English, but it can also operate in a few other languages with different degrees of the effectiveness. Unlike several other recent high-profile AI developments, there is no published peer-reviewed technical article considering Chatgpt as December 2022. So in second page, I like to talk about what is Chatgpt capable of and how to do it. So Chatgpt was pursued, built, and fine-tuned for the chatbot applications. As a result, it can, for example, following the state of the discussion better than early models. Most significantly, Chatgpt featured a user-friendly interface that has been made available to the public, allowing thousands of individuals to experiment with LLMs. For the first time, indeed, Chatgpt exceeded all expectations by enrolling over 1 million users in the first week. Soon after, OpenAI had to restrict new users' access. So although open and talks are the primary application of Chatgpt, users have repeatedly discovered unique ways to use it. Here are the couple such examples. Response to Stack Overflow question. Substitute Google cooking recipes. Solve different programming problems and creative stable deficient purpose, and also create apps from the group app. It is crucial to remember that Chatgpt was not designed for any of these applications, nor was it intended to be general purpose. However, some of the outcomes on those specific jobs has been rather astounding, giving many people a glimpse of the what to come. So how does it function? Chatgpt generates reliefs using a natural network architecture and unsupervised learning, as opposite to standard NLP models that rely on handcraft rules and manipulable data. This means it might learn to write replies without being explicitly informed what the acceptable response is, making it an effective tool for a wide range of conversational activity. And Chatgpt also generates replies using a multi-layer transform network, a sort of deep learning learning that has been shown to be excellent and interpreting natural language. The model receives an input sentence and analyzes it using its own knowledge, and then provides a meaningful answer. One of the ChatGPT's important advantages is its ability to create replies that are consistent with the conversation's context. And this implies that the model can grasp the flow of the discussion and create replies that are natural extensions of what had already been stated. This makes it available for activities like customer service, where a conversation model must be capable of handling a wide range of queries and follow-up. So ChatGPT is capable of the executing variety of other NLP tasks, such as language translation, text summarization, and sentiment analysis. In addition to producing answers, as a result, it is flexibility instrument that being unutilized in a wide range of applications. So overall, Chatgpt is a strong NLP mode capable of producing human-like answer to supply the input. It's expected to comprehend the context of the discussion and create sustainable reply, make it a useful tool for a variety of conversation activities. Okay, next page, my friends will explain your advantages and for its individual corporations.
Okay, this is my turn to explain the advantages of IT for individuals and corporations. First, availability 24 hours one day. Second, reduce errors. Third, reduces operating costs. 4, increases sales and engagement. 5, lead generating. In today's world, companies are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to assist their clients and explore new areas. To ensure that no consumer goes missed, the firm has engaged a significant number of staff to respond client messages and phone calls. Despite this, clients are frequently required to wait for replies, which might result in this content, it might be challenging for response personnel to answer clients' inquiries 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A chatbot is a computer software is programmed to answer client inquiries as a result to avoid weirdness and be more sensitive. And second, while chatbot exists to reduce errors, customer service agents sometimes make mistakes when presenting proper information to consumers. The chatbot flow, on the other hand, incorporates pre-written content, clever algorithms, and programming that assures correct data output. And third, you may reduce operation costs by replacing a human with a chatbot. And if you want to expand your business, you must keep your clients interested with your website. Using a chatbot for branding may increase customer engagement and retention, resulting in more conversions and sales. And last, lead generation. A chatbot is a fast lead generation tool since it can propose anything in your basket, allowing you to acquire a highly focused lead. Chatbots may ask pertinent questions, persuade clients, and generate qualified leads. It generates that the discussion is flowing in the appropriate way in order to generate high-covering leads. Five, disadvantages of IT for individuals and corporations. First, analyzing needs. Second, less natural language understanding. Third, higher misconception. And four, new place angry customer. Okay, I will introduce the first one. Ensure that a chatbot offers the right information to the consumer. It's normal for consumers and organizations' objectives to shift as a result of their interactions. As a result, in order to satisfy silence needs, the chatbot must be updated with the relevant information. Second, internet security. People use shortcut buttons to speed up replies and boost efficiency. As a result, chatbots are unable to adapt to human-like language. And computer software designed to answer queries from a database. When a user asks a question that a chatbot's database does not have an answer for, and the chatbots cannot read, this inquiry are likely to confuse chatbots, causing them to loop. The bot will avoid leaving you hanging by attempting to grasp the question. And no placed angry customer. Sometimes silence are unable to find the information they require or speak with support executive connect. They did not input the proper command because a chatbot is a programmed software with a predefined answer. If a customer does not offer the proper command, they will not receive the correct response, which will irritate or annoy them. And what are the limits of Chatgpt? Chatgpt, as we know, like all LLMs of its time, is not very good at retrieving factual information on its own. The issue is not a lack of knowledge, but rather that they have been taught on a wide range of material, some of which can be quite untrustworthy. LLMs such as Chatgpt lack a feeling of source trustworthiness or confidence in specific information.
Okay, guys, so in final part, I'm going to give you a conclusion. So the benefits and drawbacks of chatbots are quite cool when designing ChatGPT for any organization or individuals. So ChatGPT are more successful than human in reaching a large audience through messaging applications. They have the potential to become an important instrument for acquiring information in the near future. So, Chatgpt are artificial intelligence system that might give high personalized communication, while reducing the workload of healthcare providers. So, Chatgpt has taken over the global, having such a high quality general purpose. Chatbot available to anybody has simulated our widest thoughts, and amazing applications have energy in only a few days. However, this LLM has many limits, notably in terms of accuracy and veracity. This restriction has remedies, some of which are earlier than others, which leads me to believe that high quality and trustworthy LLM are just around the corner, particularly in small domains and specific applications. Okay, that's the final part of our presentation for today, and we want to say thanks to our lecturer, Mr. Mohan, and thanks for his teaching for this semester. And also, guys, take care. Bye bye.